Hi there, do you want to know how to achieve the most sophisticated balayage results? Today we're in the studio and we're going to show you the new Illuminage service. I'm sure we are all familiar with balayage, and if you like it as much as I do, I have great news for you. You will love Illuminage. The results will be more natural and more luminous. Your transitions will be softer and more seamless. Your blondes will be more illuminated and your end results will glow like never before. This Illuminage service is brought to life by traditional freehand painting, but transformed by Illumina Blonde toning service to finish. It's the ultimate combination for all sophisticated blondes. For the perfect Illuminage, it's all about where to place colour, how to achieve soft transitions, and importantly, how to tone the finished result. Sectioning the hair before starting helps to get control and visual balance of where the lightness will be seen. The hero of your Illuminage service is always the blonde toning that is done after, and for us, this is done with Illumina colour. Apply it just like this. This service can also illuminate natural hair slightly. If you do not wish to lighten the natural, work away from the roots and focus on the lengths and ends. Visually develop or leave up to 15 minutes. Illuminage is a premium colour service with hand-painted highlights finished with Illumina colour for a luminous and sophisticated balayage.